Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can unlock the Scavenger in Star Wars Galaxy of Heroes, so let's get right into it. First of all, Star Wars Galaxy of Heroes is a mobile game made by EA, and it is what I can only describe as a turn-based action-adventure game, where you take your heroes, either Jedi or Sith, or either Rebels or Empire or Dark Side, rather Light Side versus Dark Side, on quests where you have to defeat enemies to earn rewards, and so on and so forth. Now, some of the rewards which you might gain through those battles might be scrap pieces, and those scrap pieces are used to give to the Scavenger, where if you give him enough scrap pieces, he will give you a scrap part, which you can then use to upgrade your character gear past level 13. And to actually gain access to the Scavenger, as you can see if I click him now, it says at least one character must gain access to relic amplifiers to unlock the Scavenger. Now, relic amplifiers are what are used to upgrade your gear, and to actually unlock them, what you need to do is go into your collection, and once you select any of your characters, let's say for example Obi-Wan Kenobi, or rather no, I think I have a better example with Ahsoka Tano. Just click on her, and you first need to upgrade your gear and upgrade your gear level, which is done in the following way. As you can see here, your gear in the bottom right, in the center bottom, you will see that for each equipped item, I think you do enhance your gear level, which doesn't work. Excuse me for a second. Okay, my mistake, rookie mistake. You do need to put gear into every single slot, and once you do, your gear level will be unlocked. However, you first might need to find some pieces of gear, as you can see here, which you can find through doing the requirements, which are beating certain levels. For example, for these, if I click find, you can see that you can complete these battles and possibly earn these pieces of gear. But yeah, in essence, you just want to reach gear level 13, and then you get access to the Scavenger. But yeah, that's been about it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.